In this video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Meta Business Manager Support Manager. So in this, first thing you need to do is to have in here this particular help article from Facebook. As you can see, it actually instructs us to go to business@facebook.com, which is the actual site of your Meta business. Head over and go to this. And then if you already have an account, just head over and log in on your account or sign up if you don't have one yet. Now, into this part, we just need to go over to the Meta Verified option. So, for example, we have in here our Meta Business Suite. We have in here our left sidebar. You can see in here some more settings. So, head over, click on Settings right here, or you can also click onto the Help option right there after the Settings option. Once you're on your settings, you can see in here this. Scroll down until you can see the Meta Verified option. Head over and click onto this part. Now, into this, you should be able to see this if you have a business portfolio already ready on your actual Meta business. Here it is right here. You can join the waitlist and the likes. So if you're already a part of your Meta business, you will have an email and chat agent support. So you can just go over to this part and then contact the chat agent support that is actually designated if you're a verified Meta account holder. So it's technically onto this particular part as stated in this. You can just select the issue you're experiencing and then select the business asset you need the support for. And depending on your subscription plan and issue, you can select chat, email, or you can also request a call. From there, you can just follow the on-screen instructions in order to actually go and then have support on your Meta business account setting. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out with contacting support.